Are you ready for the cruise adventure of a lifetime? There's nothing quite like the thrill of setting sail to new and exciting destinations. But before you head out, there are some essential tips you should know to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. From packing the right clothes to finding the best dining spots, here are 10 essential tips to get you ready to embark on your cruise adventure. Number 1. Plan ahead for smooth sailing. Plan ahead for smooth sailing by making a checklist of everything you need to do before your cruise. Book your flights, arrange transportation to the port, and secure any necessary visas or travel documents. It's also a good idea to purchase travel insurance to protect yourself in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Take the time to research and book any pre- or post-cruise accommodations, and make sure to inform your bank and credit card company about your travel plans. By planning ahead, you will have peace of mind knowing that everything is in order for a stress-free cruise adventure. Number 2. Research your cruise line and itinerary. Choosing the right cruise line and itinerary can make all the difference in your cruise experience. Researching different cruise lines will help you find the one that suits your preferences and interests. Look into the destinations and ports of call on your itinerary to make sure they align with what you want to see and do. Consider the length of the cruise and the activities offered on board. By doing your research, you will be able to find the perfect cruise that will fulfill all your vacation dreams. Number 3. Know what's included in your fare. Before setting sail on your cruise adventure, it's important to know exactly what's included in your fare. While some cruise lines may offer all-inclusive packages, others may charge extra for certain amenities or services. Make sure to check if meals, entertainment, and onboard activities are included in your fare. Additionally, be aware of any additional charges for specialty dining, alcoholic beverages, or gratuities. Knowing what's included in your fare will help you budget and plan accordingly, ensuring a stress-free and enjoyable cruise experience. Number 4. Prepare for safety drills and emergency procedures. Before setting sail on your cruise adventure, it's important to be prepared for safety drills and emergency procedures. Familiarize yourself with the location of emergency exits, life jackets, and muster stations on the ship. Pay attention to the safety announcements and participate in the mandatory safety drills. Knowing what to do in case of an emergency will ensure your safety and the safety of others on board. Although emergencies are rare, it's always better to be prepared so you can have peace of mind and fully enjoy your cruise experience. Number 5. Pack smart. When it comes to packing for your cruise adventure, it's important to be smart and strategic. Start by checking the weather forecast for your destination and pack accordingly. Don't forget essentials like sunscreen, swimsuits, and comfortable walking shoes. Consider the dress code for any formal nights or specialty restaurants on board. Maximize space in your suitcase by rolling your clothes and using packing cubes. And remember, less is more. You don't want to be weighed down by unnecessary items. By packing smart, you'll be ready for any adventure that comes your way on your cruise. Number 6. Familiarize yourself with ship layout and amenities. As soon as you step foot on the cruise ship, take the time to familiarize yourself with the ship layout and amenities. Explore the different decks, locate the main dining areas, and find your cabin. Check out the various bars, lounges, and entertainment venues. Don't forget to find the fitness center, spa, and pool areas. By familiarizing yourself with the ship layout and amenities, you will be able to navigate the ship with ease and make the most of your onboard experience. Number 7. Make dining reservations early. When it comes to dining on a cruise, making reservations early is a must. Popular specialty restaurants and dining venues fill up quickly, so it's best to secure your reservations as soon as possible. This will ensure that you have the opportunity to experience the culinary delights that the cruise has to offer without any hassle or disappointment. By planning ahead and reserving your dining spots early, you will be able to indulge in delicious meals and savor the flavors of your cruise adventure. Don't miss out on this essential tip for an unforgettable dining experience at sea. Number 8. Get the most out of onboard entertainment and activities. Don't miss out on all the excitement and fun that awaits you on board. Make the most of your cruise adventure by getting the most out of the onboard entertainment and activities. From live shows and concerts to comedy nights and game shows, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Take part in dance classes, trivia nights, or even try your luck at the onboard casino. And don't forget to check out the themed parties and events happening throughout your cruise. Get ready for endless entertainment and create memories that will last a lifetime. Number 9. Take advantage of shore excursions. Shore excursions are an amazing way to explore the destinations you will be visiting on your cruise. Whether you are interested in cultural tours, outdoor adventures, or simply relaxing on a beautiful beach, there's a shore excursion for everyone. Take advantage of the opportunity to immerse yourself in the local culture, try new activities, and see iconic landmarks. From snorkeling in crystal-clear waters to hiking through lush rainforests, shore excursions offer unforgettable experiences that you won't want to miss. So make sure to research and book your excursions in advance to make the most of your cruise adventure. Number 10. Practice good cruise etiquette and respect fellow passengers. Respecting your fellow passengers and practicing good cruise etiquette is essential for a pleasant and enjoyable experience on your cruise adventure. Be mindful of noise levels in the cabins and public areas, and remember to always be courteous and polite to both the crew and your fellow passengers. Avoid saving seats or cutting in line, and be considerate of others' personal space. Remember to follow dress codes and guidelines for appropriate behavior in different areas of the ship. By practicing good cruise etiquette, you will contribute to a positive and harmonious atmosphere for everyone on board. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.